Esto es CU Leather, es mi espacio de trabajo. Aquí tengo mi taller y mi tienda donde produzco y vendo piezas hechas por mí. Estamos en Barcelona, en el barrio de Gracia, la calle Pérez Serafín, número 4. Y sean todos bienvenidos. I'm cutting a lot of pieces of wax, but this one is the tiny she likes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I only use cow because it's the rest of the meat industry, if you say. This one is one bag. These one are the handles and the body of the bags. And this one is like here. If you see, you can see the bag like this. It's a tote bag. First I designed the bag, then I made the pattern with the different measures. These ones are patterns. So if you see, here we have a bag. One big piece of leather, and I put a lot of bags inside the leather. So I need to put like a Tetris. We need to copy on the leather and see, because the leather is not, if you see, it's not like a fabric, you have marks. We need to put all the patterns on the table and see where is the best part to put. This is one bag, another one, I separate.
To find the best place, yeah.
Yeah.
How many bags do you have from one leather?
Depend how good is the cow, because they have a lot of, what do you say, scars, like a cicatrice.
Yeah.
It's difficult to use all the cow. So in that case, we need to make tiny bags, because we can put tiny pieces around the scratches. Okay, so for this tiny bag, this is a pencil of Mercurio, I don't know, like silver. You mark the leather with this, and then you can erase.
Okay.
Just for make the marks, because then I need to stitch on these lines. As if you see, it's a mark only, to see where is the I need to stitch. So, I forget a little piece I have here. Yeah. I'm stitching the pocket inside now. So this one is the pocket you want to for the zipper,
Yeah.
like this. This one is a press. So, and we need to make a circle. And that's it. We have a circle.
Okay.
This is for the key rings, this is bracelet. So this is the easy way to cut the leather, not by hand. This one is exactly when you need a special measure. Also this is for the zippers. They have different stuff and measures for the ending of the straps. This is for the buckles. This is for this part, to glue it, yeah. Sellos en español.
CU Leather.
But we need to make this on 200. We can go to stamp this here. I have my leather fingers. Because this one is too hot now. And if you see, this is laca to close the skin. Similar to some stuff you put on your shoes. Well, this one closes that holes, and to make the looks nice and shiny, the edges. So now we also burn it. This is hot like that machine. And now another machine. Okay. So now we need to do the same of all around the bag to finish in the edges. Now we are going to close this bag, and for that we use this machine.
Macht er erstmal einen Unterfaden rein.
Ah, ein Unterfaden. Aha, aha.
In derselben Farbe.
Okay. Almost done. So the other way to do by hand is the same work, is wood, and if you press the wood like this, Now we need 2 holes here. A full tiny bag.
How do you care for it? You know, what do you need to do?
You need to, so it's a skin, so like your skin you need to dry. If you don't use the bag for a long time, maybe it's nice if you put cream. Caballo, grasa de caballo.
Yeah, horse fat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But then also you can put like your body cream, milk cream.
But you
Like
cannot
you-
use like Nivea.
Yes.
You can use Nivea.
On the leather, yeah, but the soft Nivea, not this one. Like it's too heavy, but like the milk Nivea, the soft cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put also on leather.
You see?
I never
Pe-
heard this.
You're gonna learn something watching our
Yeah.
videos.
Yeah.
Since you have watched this video so far, you're ready to give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Wiemann Macht on YouTube and Telegram.